KidsVision TV. Hi kids and welcome back to my channel. Today I am drawing Elsa. You can draw and color with me. Let's start by drawing. First I am drawing its eyes and eyebrows, lips and its face. I am drawing its mouth here. Elsa is dancing on the floor. I love to draw Elsa's hair very much. I love its long hair. I am drawing its body and its hand. It's time to draw its frock. Its frock is so much big. I am drawing its gown. It's time to draw its frock. I love its frock. Hope you will enjoy this video. At this time, I am drawing its leg and its feet. This is the ice cream. Let's draw its gown from other side. The drawing is almost done. It's time to draw its hairstyle.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Its hair is almost done. Now I'm going to color the color. Purple color. I am coloring its hair with grey and purple color. Let's do its makeup from its eyes. Hope you like this hair and this eyes makeup. Skin color. I am coloring its face with a skin color. Then I am coloring its neck and its arm. Another arm. It's time to color its leg and its feet. Another feet. Pink color. I am coloring its eye shade, cheeks and its lips. Brown color. Let's color its eyebrows and the other shade of the eyebrows. Oh, its face is looking so pretty. It's time to color its dress.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Sky blue color. I am coloring its gown with sky blue color. Oh, this color is looking so nice. This is my favorite color. You can color with me. Sky blue color. It's time to color its frock. I love this frock very much. I love this color. Sea green, sky blue and light blue. If you like the coloring, let's sing a song on a blue color. Blue, blue, blueberry pie, blue sea and blue sky, blue eyes and dragonfly. We love the color blue. Sea green color. It's time to color its chest and its lower side. Oh, its frock is looking so nice. The sea green color. Let's color other side. You will be impressed with glitter color. Kids, if you like my videos, then like, subscribe and please share. Thanks for watching. Coming up next video.